Crunchified Clean friends. Sometimes I run across these cleaning ASMR type videos on TikTok where someone loads up a sink with Ajax and bleach and Comet and Fabuloso and Lysol and Pine Sol and all these different products that you're not supposed to mix to begin with. And they make like spongy sounds and they make like quote unquote like Play-Doh, which it's not. And I get it. There's like an ASMR thing to it and it makes people happy to see that. But I genuinely worry about the people that are doing that, the hazard, the danger they're putting on their lungs, on their skin, on their eyes. They're ruining their property. They're ruining their sinks. They don't see it today, but trust me, it's happening. And it's all going into the waterway. It's just sad to see this. You don't need all those products to have a nice, clean home. Eco cleaning is so much better and safer and smells great. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchified clean. Peace.